Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do the shepherd's leap. This incredible technique, originating from the Canary Islands, allows practitioners to navigate extremely challenging and steep landscapes. It relies on a specialized long wooden pole, often called a garrote or lanza, which typically measures between 2 and 4 meters in length. This pole is fitted with a sharp metal point, known as a rigaton, which is crucial for gripping the terrain. It's a unique blend of agility and leverage. One of the most striking applications of the shepherd's leap is the controlled descent, often from significant heights. To perform this, you firmly plant the pole's metal tip into the ground at a point below you. Then, you leap into the air, using the pole to absorb the initial force of your fall. By maintaining a strong grip and sliding down the pole, you can safely control your speed and ensure a stable landing, even from drops of up to 8 meters. The shepherd's leap is far more versatile than just descending. The pole is an indispensable tool for navigating diverse terrain. It allows you to pole vault across challenging gaps and crevices, providing a secure bridge. Furthermore, it offers crucial balance and support when traversing narrow ledges or carefully climbing upwards. Mastering this technique involves understanding various handholds and body positions, adapting them for both ascending and descending movements across rugged landscapes. Safety is paramount when practicing the shepherd's leap. Always ensure the pole's metal tip is securely planted into stable ground before committing to any jump or descent. It is wise to begin with very small drops and gradually increase the height as your confidence and technique develop. Seeking proper training and guidance from experienced practitioners is highly recommended to learn the nuances and prevent potential injuries, ensuring a safe and rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.